we're in the forest where Kyle told us about, but we're not in the heart of it yet, are we?
No. What we need to do is go down to the lake down here.
So now it's just a matter of drawing attention once we get to the lake?
Yeah, I have something here that might do the job.
And what is that?
It's called a zaffoon.
I don't think that's gonna hurt at all. I think it would only make them more curious.
Let's get there.
All right.
Giddy up.
This is Kyle's spot. He's worked it before, and he knows the labyrinth of roads that permeate this area. So Kyle's gonna be our host. He's gonna take Bobo and I out for a little walk. In the meantime, Renee and Matt are gonna stay on the other side of the lakes, and we're gonna do our thing, calling back and forth and making noise. Maybe somebody's home tonight. You ready, Kyle? Your job is to rattle all the coyotes loose here.
My God. Who was that?
That was Kyle.
My goodness.
Oh my goodness. That's him again. He's going a second time.
That was good.
He's just going through his Bigfoot vowels.
It's a good one.
Wow.
I'd be creeped out if I was camping.
He's got a good range of calls. So Cliff, you guys are ready for some lady screams?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, unleash the banshee.
They have been forewarned.
All right.
God.
We don't know.
Wait.
I hear it on the edge of you.
We heard something.
Is that Renee now?
What is that? Ooh, right here.